Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy potato soup. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of potatoes, 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and 1 cup of milk or cream. Don't forget an onion, some celery, and a few cloves of garlic. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a comforting meal. Now, let's build the foundation of our soup's flavor. In a large pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil over medium heat. Add your diced onion and celery, cooking them until they are soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic for 1 minute more. Then, add your diced potatoes and pour in the 4 cups of broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. To achieve that wonderful creamy texture, use a potato masher or an immersion blender to mash about 1/3 of the potatoes directly in the pot. This naturally thickens the soup without needing extra flour. Next, stir in your 1 cup of milk or cream, or a dairy-free alternative if preferred. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can also add a pinch of dried thyme or a bay leaf for extra depth. After adding the dairy, gently heat the soup through, but be careful not to let it boil, as this can cause the milk or cream to curdle. Taste and adjust the seasonings one last time. Ladle the warm soup into bowls. For a delightful finish, garnish with fresh chopped chives, crispy bacon bits, or a sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. This easy potato soup is perfect for a cozy meal and is sure to be a family favorite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.